Well, this Thursday afternoon, we have been tracking a lot of heavy rain and thunderstorm activity around the coastal empire and the low country. We have a lot of raindrops on the lens looking toward downtown. Had some very heavy downpours in the city, producing a lot of lightning. We also had a hail risk with these storms that have been developing this afternoon. The strongest storm right now is in Liberty County. It was under a severe thunderstorm warning, which has been able to now expire as the strongest part of that storm is now pushing off of the coast, but still producing some pretty heavy rain near I-95, Riceboro, and into Limerick right now over Drum Point Landing. We do have that heavy rain right now, but the strongest part of that storm again moving off of the coast. Same thing for Chatham County into the low country, Beaufort and Jasper County. We do have some very heavy rain setting up. We do have a flood advisory in place until 4:45 for portions of Chatham County because of Doppler radar estimating rainfall totals in excess of 1 and 2 inches. Starting to settle down now, but more storms are possible over the next few hours, still with some more moisture coming into the region. But rainfall over the past 12 hours. So for today, along I-16 in Bullock County, near where that significant accident has happened a little bit earlier, 2.5 inches estimated by radar. So that's a significant downpour that developed in that area. So we're going to see some pretty quick rainfall amounts add up for us over the next several days because more of this heavy rain is in the forecast for the next several days. In fact, it's not going to be until the middle part of next week until we start to take out rain chances altogether. So for Friday in the morning hours, starting off already with the potential for some scattered showers and storms setting up, but more so as we head into the later afternoon hours and into the early evening. And once again, with temperatures in the low to maybe even middle 80s for a few locations, we will have the potential for a few isolated strong and severe storms setting up. Gusty wind and hail would be our primary concern, but overall heavy rain is going to be the biggest concern in the 7-day forecast. So over the next several days, we will have more of that moisture surging in from the Gulf. An area of low pressure is expected to develop on the tail end of this cold front that's draped across the northwestern Gulf, and that will help to enhance our rain chances, especially for Saturday and into Sunday, with heavy rain being the main concern. For tomorrow, that severe weather risk is on the low end of the scale, but it does include most of the southeast. Atlanta is not included, or the extreme upstate of South Carolina, but still, we do have that storm risk in the forecast. So tomorrow morning, already starting off with some showers on the radar. Perhaps not too much as we head into the early afternoon hours, but then it's going to be more into the mid to the later afternoon when we get that peak daytime heating with those storms developing, and they will likely continue into the evening hours with pockets of heavy rain continuing into 9 and 10 o'clock. So definitely a wet night is on the way for our Friday. Overnight into early Saturday morning, showers will continue for us. And again, some of it will be pretty heavy for us at times, with totals likely over 4 inches as we head into the next several days, which will be very beneficial because of our rainfall deficit that we've experienced throughout the early part of the year so far, almost 7 inches for Savannah. So plenty of opportunities to make up for that over the next several days. Highest rain chances right now on Saturday, but still not the best weather conditions setting up for Mother's Day or for Monday. And then as we head into Tuesday and next Wednesday, that's when finally some drier air will work its way back in. And with that, temperatures will heat back up into the upper 80s to lower 90s. So at least one thing that comes along with the rain, slightly cooler temperatures in the 70s.
Yeah, the rain was almost blinding
Absolutely.
today.
So definitely take it easy over the next few days.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Scott.